Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Today I will give you tutorial how to make Twitter on dark mode for Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start. First, we go to Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, click the symbol of the photos in the upper of the left corner. Click on, and let's go to the settings and privacy. The next, let's move to the accessibility, display, and language. And the next, you cannot click the display. Okay, how to make the Twitter on dark mode? You can go to the dark mode here on the display. Click on the dark mode and let this to the on. Dark mode is on. Okay, now your Twitter is on the dark mode. Okay, this is a tutorial how to make a Twitter on the dark mode for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.